came up short against Pacelli tonight. How do you feel about the girls' performance?
I feel we played much better than we have been playing. Coming off of Tuesday's loss to Bondwell was not very pretty. We had a lot of very bad passing errors and a lot of bad serves. I believe that our passing and serving was much better today, although we still need to work on our passing a little bit more.
And you will be in full play on Saturday. What changes do you expect to make for that?
I'm hoping to find somebody willing to step up and be a stronger passer in my back row for me and really be an asset back there, because we tend to be struggling with communication and just getting them up to Kendall so that we can get some good hits.